Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Roblox gift card codes. So I will be just open up my web browser and make sure you will have logged in on the web, not the mobile app. Because the Roblox gift card codes only works on web browser, not the application. So I will just show you without wasting the time. You will see that top left of three lines of settings, and in the last you will see the gift card. So I will be just tap on it and it will be just move to the next web browser. So right over here, this is the shop gift cards. So I want to just tap on it, this redeem card, which is top right corner option, you will see. And I will be just tap on it simply. So here you will be just add your code, example XYZ. So you will just tap on it, and when you just tap on it, so below the redeem option you will be able the credit balance like $5 or $10. So you will be just it will be just add on your Roblox account. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.